Alright, so today we're going to be upgrading from version 2.1 to version 2.2. The upgrade has a database change, so for the upgrade we'll be doing a backup from version 2.1, removing version 2.1, installing 2.2, and then converting and importing the backup to restore it in the new installation. So you should have received the server install file, MSI, and you should have your dashboard, your original dashboard license. Alright, so first let's just check that we are using version 2.1. So go into the program files, Itfoots software directory, into the dashboard server, check the version props, 2.1. Excellent. Alright. Minimize. Let's do the backup. So go into Dashboard Admin, Backup and Restore, click Start Backup. So by default, that's going to put you in the App Data Local Itfoots Dashboard Server Backup folder. You should remember this App Data local folder from when you originally did your installation. It's where all of the dashboard files are kept. So we're going to leave that default. Click OK. Backup is starting. It's on its way. And finish successfully. Alright, so we can close the admin app. Now let's go check out that backup. Alright, so here we are in Users, JSON, App Data, Local Itfoots, Dashboard Server, Backup, 2017-08-04. That's the one that we just did. Excellent. And contents of the backup, you don't need to worry about that, but backup is good. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so now we need to start uninstalling. So let's first go and turn off the services. So we go into services. Here are the two ones, Itfoots Database and Tomcat. Start with Tomcat. Stop it. Go to the database one. Stop it. Alright, they're both stopped. Now we need to remove the services. Go back into your app data folder. Go to the bin. And there is WinServe uninstall. We're going to right mouse click on that and run it as the administrator. Yes. It just asks us if we want to allow it because it needs elevated privileges. Here it is. Successful, successful. Finish the uninstall. Excellent. Press any key to continue. Done. Alright, now go back into the services and click refresh up here. Alright, our services are gone. Excellent. Now go back to your app data folder. Go to the root one right here. We're going to rename this. Let's call it Backup 2017-08-04. Alright. We're going to cut it and we're going to paste it. Let's put it in the folder that has our installation files. You can put it anywhere. Just obviously remember where you put it and move it out of the app data folder. That's the important thing. Alright, so all set there. It's got the backup that we just did, and it's also got the SQL backup for the database, this itfootsdb.script file. So we, at this point, we're backed up two different ways. Excellent. Alright, so minimize that, minimize that, minimize that. Now we need to uninstall. So go into your control panel, uninstall a program. find the Itfoots Dashboard server. There it is right there. Right mouse click. Uninstall. Yes, we are sure. That was the user access control message again, which we okay. Alright, it's doing its thing. Alright, so it's successfully uninstalled. It's not in the list of apps anymore. If we go back into program files, Itfoot software, it's not there anymore. This is another Itfoots app, daily balancing, not related. Alright, so now we are uninstalled. Excellent. So now let's install the new version. I go back into the folder with my install files. Dashboard server version 2.2 beta, Windows 64-bit, MSI. Click on it. Next. Accept the terms. Next. We're going to do a typical install. Install. User access control message again. Alright, it's on its way. Excellent. Get this message. These are the installation directory and the work directory. That's the program files one that we're just looking at, and then the app data local. You should confirm that those look as you expect, as they were in the previous installation. Click OK. Alright, finished up. Excellent. Alright, now we need to add the services. So now we go back to the app data, local, Itfoots folder. Now we see the dashboard server directory is back in there. Go into it. Bin, WinServer, or Windows WinServe-install. This is for the services. Run that as an administrator. User access control message again. It runs. Install. Both services installed correctly. Press any key to continue. Excellent. Now let's go into our services. Refresh. We have the two Itfoots ones again. Run the Tomcat. Start. Run the database. Start. Alright, now minimize that. Minimize these guys. Now our two tools are back on the desktop, so let's go into Dashboard Admin. Alright, we have a fresh install, so we need to put our license key back on there. Click Update License. Go to the upgrade. Alright, there it is. Our dashboard license file. Open. License is good. Valid through 2017, November 30th. Excellent. Alright, so we're good there. Go to the Start Stop server. Both are running. That's good. Using Windows Single Sign-On. True. That's what we would expect. So now let's go into Backup and Restore. We want this last option, Convert and Restore. Click on Convert and Restore. This will convert a backup from version 2.0 or 2.1 to version 2.2. Convert it and then restore the database from the converted backup. Alright, we click OK. So now let's find that install file that we had. Upgrade version 2.1 to version 2.2. Excellent. Alright, so this is that backup that we did, 2017-0804. Go into the backup directory. Don't go into it, sorry. Select the backup directory right there. Dashboard backup. Excellent. Click OK. Preparing for restore. Importing, importing, importing. looking good. It's getting there. Alright, restore from backup finished successfully. Close this. Now let's open the browser. Bear with me while I just pull it into view. Alright. Go to server, and here we are. My example firm up and running and ready to use. Version 2.2. Now let's just check one more thing. Go back into Program Files x86, Itfoots Software, Dashboard Server, Version Properties, version 2.2. Alright, so we are ready to go. Version 2.2 is installed, database is converted and restored. That is the end of the instructions. Thank you.